Hey there, friends. I hope you're having a great day today. I am doing a special project, and it is called Personal Effects, and I'll just give you kind of a glimpse at this. This is a project that will go along with my new podcast over at my Patreon site. You can check that out in the description box below. I find myself wanting some distinctive washi tape, and my bright colors just aren't doing it today, so we're going to create a little bit of our own washi tape by just using some masking tape. You know, anytime I go to Lowe's with Chris, I buy masking tape because there are a couple things. I use it when I do art, but we are big on using our leftovers. So anything that goes in the refrigerator is going to have masking tape and what it is and the date that it was prepared. I just think that it's I like using what I have in every single aspect of, of my life. So let's just knock up some washi tape really quick. I've got some stays on ink pad here, and I even noted on the top of the ink pad works great on paint. I put masking tape on this Prismacolor box because it was like I need to get that off, and I thought, you know, it'll be easy to dislodge from this. So, and I want to go this way. So I want to add just a little bit of interest before I start with the text. So we'll just see how this goes. This is all kind of, you know how it goes up here. It's all kind of experimental. And we'll just see what happens. You know, we're also working on this metal box, and I'm not sure how any kind of stamping is going to go on the metal box. You can go ahead and thumbs down this video if you want. But I think it's very, I think it's smart to watch people create and how they create. Even if you don't create like a person, then you learn something. You know, everything is just an amazing lesson when you really think about it. All right, I'm gonna add just a little bit of text, and let's see how that turns out. This is just a regular old text stamp. Make sure I have it the right way. I'm just there. See that? That turned out really nicely. All right, now I'm going to leave this one blank because I want to use the word, since this is a personal effects project, I want to use the word parts, because your personal effects are the parts of your life that are on your body, on your person. They're very intimate and uniquely you know. So that turned out really well. All right, let's go ahead and do this one right here. That turned out really well too. All right, so we are ready to add our wham bam very quick washi tape to our project. And like I said, this goes along with an upcoming podcast on my Patreon site. So if you're interested in that, you can check out the link below. I hope this inspired you to DIY yourself something today. This morning I'm working with, of course, the masking tape. I'm working with tea bags. I'm working with I love copy dyeing index cards. So I've got some of those in the big cauldron of possibilities as well. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.